On my recent trip, I had the chance to pop by and visit with Chef Ian Kittichai at his beautiful restaurant, and he prepared some incredible dishes. Chef Ian made this banana blossom salad. It reminded me a little bit of artichokes and inspired my chili grilled steak on artichoke and radicchio salad. For the salad, I'm using flank steak. I was inspired by Chef Ian's chili jam. It was a homemade chili sauce that he used to dress his salad. And I thought, I want to put that kind of flavor, but on my steak. The simple marinade starts with a bit of a basic chili paste or chili sauce, whatever is your favorite, a little bit of finely minced onion, the juice of 2 limes, and I'll grate in 2 cloves of garlic and a generous amount of ginger. A quick stir, and I pour this over the steak. The marinade is primarily there for flavor, not to tenderize, so it can sit in the fridge for as little as 30 minutes or up to 3 hours. Now that steak, once grilled, is going on top of a salad, an artichoke salad. And just look at the shape of the artichoke. It very much is like that banana blossom that Chef Ian prepared. So to prepare the artichoke, I cut off and peel away the outside leaves, I scoop out the choke, I rub the heart generously with lime, and then I cook it for about 25 minutes. And you want to acidulate the water. Add some lime juice. Now I want to get that flank steak cooking first, then I can assemble the salad. I'm going to heat my grill pan on high. I'm going to pull off the onions and the marinade from the surface of the steak. There we go. Now, the trick when cooking flank steak is to not overcook it. Flank steak is best served at rare, but really no more than medium rare. The marinades, the lime juice, the chili, the onion, and ginger goes into a pot. And to that, I add sugar and a little water and cook that down into a chili glaze. And that becomes the sauce for the steak. Just gonna take a peek at the steak. I'll let that cook and the glaze simmer down, and now I can assemble the salad. When I think of Bangkok, I think of the colors and the textures, and I want the salad to reflect that. So in addition to the artichokes, I'm using radicchio as a base for the salad. And now the cooked artichokes, I'll simply cut into quarters, drop those into my bowl. Some diced fresh cucumber. And when I was cooking with Chef Ian, I loved all the fresh herbs and the flavors he added to his salad. I'm going to add some spring onion, fresh coriander, and a little fresh mint. Before I toss the salad, let me take a peek at the steak. Beautiful. Time to flip it. And it really only needs another 90 seconds. When you think of the flavors of Thai foods, and in Bangkok, you think of hot and sour, salty, sweet. So I want to build those flavors in. A little bit of sweetness from some sugar, the sour from some fresh lime, and then the saltiness comes from fish sauce. I never used to have fish sauce in my fridge, but coming back from Bangkok, it's a staple item now. Quick toss, and I'm going to pull my steak off so it can rest for a second. There we go. I'll arrange my salad on the platter. When you're slicing flank steak, you want to slice it across the grain. Thin slices. So what is a lean, sometimes tough cut, because of the way it's carved, becomes super tender. Fan out the slices, resting over the salad. The nice thing about radicchio is it stands up to a little bit of heat without wilting. And the finishing touch, inspired by Chef Ian's chili jam. Little on the steak, just a little on the salad. For a little bit of crunch, deep-fried shallots. And there it is. Chili grilled flank steak on an artichoke and radicchio salad. Oh, I can't resist. I have to have a taste. A bit of steak with some of that artichoke. There's the chili. What's great about this salad, too, is you can enjoy it warm right off the grill or at room temperature.